What would happen to your child if something unexpected occurred tomorrow and you couldn't be there? Family preparedness is about creating a plan to protect your loved ones in case of an emergency, especially if a parent or caretaker becomes unavailable due to detention, deportation, or another unexpected situation. This includes planning for your children's care, deciding who will care for them, under what circumstances, and for how long, knowing your rights, understanding what protections you have and how to exercise them if you encounter ICE, and understanding your immigration options so that you can make informed decisions for you and your family's future. The goal is to make sure your wishes are clear, your children are safe, and your family knows what to do if you're not there. We know this is a difficult topic. That's why communication and clarity are key. So take your time with this. Save this video, pause or screenshot as needed, and when you're ready, continue to part 1 of 4 in our family preparedness series. At the core of family preparedness is child care planning. This means identifying who will care for your children, what that care will look like, and what your wishes are for their future. Families can put different child care plans in place depending on their needs. This can include informal care agreements where a child stays with a trusted adult without transferring legal custody, or legal options like guardianship, which may involve court processes. We'll walk through each of these options in more detail throughout this series. Families may want to gather important documents and keep them in a safe, accessible place. This can include birth certificates, passports, medical information, and school records. Another important pillar for family preparedness is understanding your rights. Everyone in the US, regardless of immigration status, has constitutional rights. Everyone. Even if immigration enforcement tries to convince you that you don't, you do have rights. These rights include the right to remain silent, the right to due process, the right to refuse to sign documents, and a protection against unlawful searches and seizures. When families understand their rights, they're better equipped to respond, protect themselves, and make decisions in stressful times. Another critical part of family preparedness is understanding your immigration options, and this begins with the legal consultation. We encourage people to think about legal consultations the same way we think about going to the doctor, something we do regularly, not just in emergencies. As we know all too well, immigration law and policies change frequently, and everyone's case is unique. Relying on word-of-mouth advice from family, friends, or community can be risky. Again, everyone's immigration case is different. Through a legal consultation, you can understand the specifics of your case, evaluate risks and benefits, identify short and long-term options, and make better informed decisions for yourself and your family. Families should talk openly about their plans so children understand what will happen and caregivers understand the family wishes and their responsibilities. Stay tuned for the next part of our family preparedness series, where we'll dive into informal care agreements, California's Caregiver Authorization Affidavit, legal guardianships in California, and powers of attorney.